as my breath turns white. The thermometer sinking fast, it's a frozen night. Snow is dancing wild like it's got no rules. The streets are buried deep, even the park told mules. Can't see the skyline, can't feel my toes. The wind is king here, and it always shows. Another day in Chicago, where the cold skies bite. The snow's the only thing that shines this bright. Another day in Chicago, where the chill won't quit. But I'm still standing, I was made for it. The lampposts flicker weak like they're out of fight. The cars are ghosts now, swallowed by the white. My coat's got holes, my gloves are worn thin, but the city's got my